Welcome back. We can feel that little nip in the air. Fall is clearly here. Winter trying to peek its head in the door. Maybe more than we want, but definitely time to get your home and yard ready for winter before it's just simply too late. Michelle Crawford, a real estate agent at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Premier Property, joins us now. She's here with 4 fall maintenance tips you may have forgotten to do. Michelle, welcome to the show. It's great to have you.
Thanks for having me.
So what's the most important outdoor task homeowners should be focused on right now?
Definitely those gutters. Gutters can be one of the most overlooked aspects of your home, but they are essential to keep water away from your foundation and keep your home dry. You should inspect your gutters and clean them as necessary. Gutters can easily become clogged with leaves and branches, especially this time of year, and can sustain damage over time if not taken care of. This is an easy fix, but most homeowners often forget this. Cleaning your gutters can lead to more costly repairs down the road. If you live in the area that has no trees, you still can get clogged gutters. North Dakota and Minnesota are known to have a little bit of wind. Shingle particles and shingle pieces can come off and still fill your gutters as well.
Good stuff.
Here is a solution for always dealing with clogged gutters. They're called gutter guards. They come in a variety of styles, and you can find one that suits the type of debris that usually clogs up your gutters, and they are available at most of your big box stores.
Nice. That looks nice and easy in a much more effective way. What are some other things that we should be focused on?
Definitely removing that hose from outside. Leaving them can cause your pipes to crack and water to seep in. Sometimes you may not even realize that you have a problem until you have water in your basement. Also, condensation can build up in your hoses, and that can freeze and cause those hoses to break. And if you have a lot of those laying out, that can get costly to replace.
Very, very good tip. So let's hit inside the home. What are some things we should be looking to replace this time of year inside the house?
The one that we don't do nearly enough, your furnace filters, especially more frequently if you have pets. Changing your furnace filter is one of the easiest things you can do to keep your furnace in good working order. If you haven't changed it in a while, like most of us, make sure that you put a new one in before you turn your filter on or your furnace on for the first time. However, with the weather we've had lately, I'm sure most people have already done this. Also, when you change your filter, make sure that you put it in the correct way. It definitely makes a big difference.
How often do you suggest we should be changing the filter?
There actually is 2 sides to it. One side, there'll be an arrow on it and it will direct you which way to put it in, but a lot of people flip it around and put it in the opposite way, which allows a lot of particles and stuff to get trapped on the wrong side, which doesn't give you very good air quality. So it's very important to put that in the right way.
Got it. Thank you. I got 30 seconds left. Most importantly, how can people get a hold of you?
You can call me at 218-329-7495.
Michelle Crawford. You can see her email there as well. So great stuff. We appreciate it. And have a great week.
You too.
Thanks, Michelle. All right, stick around. We got much more coming up right after this.